Hey guys, Mensch here. Today I'm going to show you a track, something like a techno, hyper techno. I decided to use this track by BEAUZ. It's called Loco. I know it sounds like a Halloween theme or something like that.
Let go, see my body moving in the shadow.
Yeah, it sounds something like that, and it's like end of October. Yeah, and we have this theme. Yeah, I don't know exactly for what movie this theme. Maybe Friday 13. I don't know. Comment in the comment section if you know the answer. So let me show you this breakdown and two types of drops. We have two types of drops. Yeah, it sounds something like that, really huge. I like it. And let me show you what we have here. I decided to use other vocals.
Falling back in line, but I don't wanna leave your love behind. Maybe I'm waiting for a sign. Falling back in line, but I don't wanna leave to see anytime.
Yeah, it sounds like that. Of course, I copied some parts of this track, but I decided to add a lot of my sounds. Yeah, something like that. So we have vocals. We have these two types of kick. It's something like a short techno kick, and we have more huge kick. As you hear, it sounds like a kick and the bass, something like two layers in one kick, one bass drum. If you remember Big Room, something like Martin Garrix's Animals, we heard something like a huge kick with the bass, something like that. And we have something similar, but in other genre. Yeah, we have clap. By the way, we have rhythm section, something like that. Yeah, and we have a clap here. Not 100% tracks in the hyper techno or techno genre have claps. Yeah, but I heard this clap here in this track. You can use it or not. It's up to you, of course. We have this loop. I really like how it sounds. Actually, I found it excellently in my library. Yeah, we have these claps. Something like that. We have this right. We have open hat. We have the bass section. The bass sounds really basic. It's something like a saw with a reverb. Yeah. And because of reverb, we have more volume here, something like that. We have here bass drum and something like a mid bass. I decided not to use sub bass, of course, because this bass in this bass drum. I decided to use just something like rolling bass here. Yeah, we have the main melody. Sounds like that. I think it's a really popular sound. I don't know exact name of this track. I'll try to find it and we'll leave the link in the description. I heard it in a lot of TikTok videos. Yeah, it's something like that. And Gabry, Ponte and Don Diablo made something like that, something similar. Yeah, we have on the drop variation of this sound. It's something like a short vox sound. Yeah, also we have here this huge step. Sounds really cool. By the way, I used Nexus here. It's from Techno. This rave chord. Yes, sounds something like that. By the way, this sound, it's a binary voice. I tried to show it in the other video, but this actually a binary voice. Yeah, it's the Dance 2 pack. Yeah, also we have here these instruments. It's something like a hard style. Sounds also huge. We have here something like an acid sound. It's also Techno 2 pack, the preset called acid 2. And we have this one. It's a lead also from Techno 2. I think it sounds more good with this note. Maybe we should make something like that. I have an idea to make it maybe something like that. Maybe other notes here. I don't know, maybe like that. Maybe it was better, I don't know, but I like how it sounds right now. So we have here a Reese bass. And we have these glide effects here. Also we have something like acid sound. I decided to make automation for this. We have this snare roll. We have riser. Also we have a fixed section, nothing special. Yeah, like that. So the secret of this track, of this genre, is just right sounds, of course, because we can't use deep house kick in the techno projects, of course. You need to find something similar, something familiar to this genre, of course, because it's really important. If you will use other kick here, it won't be sound that huge. Yeah, that's why you need to find the right instruments for your track. This project I will upload to my Patreon and Boosty. You can easily download it and check what I use in this track. Of course, you can make your own track, maybe make something like a first breakdown, first drop, then second breakdown, and drop with this kick, something like we have two different drops. There are a lot of tracks with that feature. We have something like a first drop with a more simple kick, and second drop with more aggressive, more tight kick, something like that. By the way, if you hear this track by BEAUZ called Loco, you can hear this difference. I decided just slice this track to something like to show something like a features of this genre, but you can build your tracks using this something like a construction kit, let's call it like that. Yeah. And if you want maybe to write something, please write in the comment section, and give me a like if you like this video, of course. Mensch was here. Bye bye, guys.